everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to a new exciting video. First of all, thank you so much for your immense response on the launch of the Life Aroma Planner 2024. I am so grateful and so happy and overwhelmed with the response. But I just want to thank each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my new planner brand. So in case if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Esha. I am a content creator and the founder of a newly launched planner brand, the Life Aroma, and we have recently launched our 2024 planner, the Life Aroma Planner 2024, which you can check out on our website. I will provide all the details in the description box below. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to give you a complete flip through of the sticker book that will come with the Life Aroma Planner 2024. So if you haven't checked out the unboxing and the complete flip through of the planner, I have a total dedicated video about it. You can go ahead, check it out. I will provide all the video links in the description box below. All the video of the BTS and the planner launch will be there in the description box, so definitely check that out. So in today's video we are going to focus on the sticker book, and I'm just going to give you a flip through and an overview of each and every page. So if you are excited, let's get started. So this is the first sticker book in our brand, the Life Aroma, and this sticker book is called Stylishly Organized. It's a planner sticker book for everyday use with more than 400 plus stickers, and it has a total of 16 sheets inside. This sticker book will come in the 2024 planner kit with the Life Aroma Planner 2024. So let's go ahead and see a flip through of the sticker book, and yeah, I'm super excited to share with you the inside illustrations and the pictures. I don't know how to explain each and every page of the sticker book, but I will just give you an overview. So the first page is one of my favorite because it's very vibrant, very colorful, and it's full of motivational quote with beautiful quirky graphics on it. So this page is dedicated for all the motivational quotes. You can see squeeze the day, it will be okay, you are doing your best. So we have all these motivational quote going on, which you can stick on your monthly pages. You can choose to stick any one of them at the start of the month. Even you can stick it on your laptop or on your phone cover. So this will look very quirky and motivating as well. So this page is all about some motivational quotes, some quirky motivational quotes to kickstart your month in a fun and a quirky way. Moving on to the next page, it's a functional icon sticker page. So we have stickers like birthdays, payday, meeting, day off, and ideas. So these are icon stickers. These are all functional stickers, and it will be perfect for you guys to use it in the monthly calendar section in your planner. So you can just stick a sticker here and write down a mini note under it. So you can use these stickers to write down any important birthdays or your payday or any meeting or appointment that you have. So you can just use this sticker in your monthly calendar section or even in your weekly dashboard section. Moving on to the next page, this page is dedicated for work related stickers. So you can see different stickers going on. I really love these laptop stickers which says never get so busy making a living that you forget to make a life. So this is kind of a reminder sticker when you are like super busy and you are like indulged in a rat race or feeling super ambitious. Then this is a reminder for you guys to slow down. So I really like these stickers. Then we have a sticker. This is a very beautiful sticker which says balance, which means to maintain a work-life balance. And we do have some functional stickers going on as well, like to-do tick list stickers, then day off stickers. Then we have this beautiful table where it says hustle, and we have a camera, a smoothie bowl, this cute little snake plant. So this page is dedicated for basically work stickers. Down here you have some more icon stickers for emails, for deadlines and workloads. So definitely these stickers are here to make your work life a little bit colorful and add some pop-up colors. Moving on, we have some more functional stickers, some more functional icon stickers which you can use in your day-to-day life, which we generally use and think about in our day-to-day life. I have tried to include all those icon daily stickers which we can use in our planner in everyday life. So these stickers are movie night stickers, then water your plant sticker, planner update stickers, grocery shopping, date night, digital detox, travel plans, nails revamp, doctor appointments. So these are all the icon stickers that you can use in your day-to-day life, and these are all the basic things that we generally do in our planner, or we plan about it. So I hope these stickers will be very beneficial to make it more pop-up and vibrant while you are planning in your planner. The next page is all about some workout or fitness related stickers. So here we have some cute quirky stickers going on, like body under construction, workout playlist. So here we have a cute water bottle which says keep going. I really like these avocado stickers, you know, like using dumbbell and running on a treadmill. So these are very cute quirky stickers going on. Down here we again have some icon stickers like gym stickers, weight training stickers. Then also you can use these 5000 steps daily and 10k steps daily stickers. So these are all fitness related stickers that you can use in your planner. Moving on, we have some more functional icon stickers which we can use in our day-to-day life. So these are appointments, to-do, reminder, goals, and don't forget stickers. So these stickers are ideal to be used on your monthly calendar page where you can see the whole month at a glance, and you can use these icon stickers and write down stuff under it. Like if you have an appointment, you can paste these stickers and write down the time or the place where you have that appointment. You can use these goal stickers to make some random goals whenever you want to inside your planner. So as you can see, these are all functional stickers which you can use in your day-to-day life, and I have tried to inculcate all these stickers here in this everyday use planner. As you can see, the name suggests this is a everyday use planner sticker book. So I hope this will be very useful in your everyday life. The next page is totally dedicated for all the travel lovers. So we have a lot of travel stickers going on which you can use. These are all aesthetic, colorful, and you can like plan a vacation using these stickers on your notes page, or you know, in a vision board you can stick all these pictures and yeah, make your travel plan. The next page is basically dedicated for affirmations. So we have some cute sticky notes going on, and in each of these sticky note we have different affirmations written which you can stick in your planner every single month or even every single week, whatever works for you. So you can choose to stick this affirmation in your planner and read it out whenever you are feeling like. So that is the motto. We have some strong powerful affirmations going on in this page. The next page is dedicated for mental health. So these are all mental health stickers, and it says time to rest, it's okay to not be okay, be kind to your mind. So we have all the stickers going on, less stress, be kind to yourself, mental health priorities. So this page is dedicated for your mental health, and you can choose to use this as a reminder in your planner whenever you are feeling like. So I hope this page will help in some way or the other. Moving on to the next page is again one of my favorite, which is a quote sticker page, and I really love to add quotes in my planners. I am really a quote lover. A quote really inspired me to move ahead in my life, so I definitely love to have quote stickers. So this is an addition which reflects my personality. So we have different quotes going on, and I've tried to add varieties in terms of font and the style in each and every quote, and all these quotes are very powerful, and you can choose to use it in your vision board, in your monthly sections or your weekly sections. So I hope this will be motivating for you. The next page is dedicated for some cozy decor stuff. So this page is totally dedicated to create cozy little corner in your planner where you can like write down your self-care list maybe, or you can like journal about your feelings or feel grateful using these stickers. So this page is dedicated for all the cozy related cute stuff. The next page is again some functional icon stickers. So we have some medical stickers going on, then eat out stickers, then location stickers, bills, groceries, to-do list, laundry, self-care, and we have some social media stickers as well, which is for YouTube and Instagram. So these are again some icon stickers which you can use in your everyday life, here and there, in your weekly, daily and your monthly sections. So definitely go ahead and use it in whatever way you want to. I am definitely going to make use of this page the most because I really love icon stickers going on in my planner. These are really functional for me, and whenever I add these icon stickers to any of my important events, it automatically grab my attention, that really help me to get reminded of my task. And in general, I definitely love stickers in my planner. Moving on to the next page, it is totally dedicated for some cute self-care activities. So we have some skincare stickers going on, we have some me time stickers going on, we also have these cute little journal stickers here, as well as a self-care activity. So this page is a reminder for you guys to take care of yourself and prioritize self-care in your life. So I hope that this will be helpful and it can make a good use out of this page as well. The next page is dedicated for some household chores icon stickers. So we have laundry day stickers, grocery day, declutter, meal plan, water your plants, organize a space, eating healthy stickers. So these are mostly home management or household chore stickers, but basically used by every one of us. So I feel that this will be very functional to be used in your planner. Moving on to the next page, we have a mixture of affirmations, quote stickers, and some health stickers as well, some fitness stickers here as well. So we have affirmations going on, some beautiful quotes, some detox drink stickers, and it's a reminder for you guys to hydrate more. So this is again a self-care sticker page where you have to prioritize yourself. And last but not the least, we have some stamp stickers here. So these are all patterned stickers going on, and you can choose to use these stickers to decorate your planner. So yeah, that's all about the flip through of the planner. I don't think I have much to explain about it. Stickers are something which is definitely a personal choice, and you can choose to use it in your own personal way. Decorating your planner with the stickers is definitely different for every single person, and you can be as creative as possible while using your stickers. So I hope this flip through was helpful. In case if you were waiting for this particular sticker book flip through, you can shop it from our website. I will provide the link here in the description box below. And if you liked today's video till now, comment down below what is one thing that you liked in the Life Aroma Planner 2024 kit. I will be super excited to read that. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. There will be a lot of planner setup videos coming up very soon on the channel. Also follow this Instagram handle. This is the official page of the Life Aroma. Here you will get all the planner related updates, all the photos, videos, and video related updates, when which video is coming and on which topic. Everything will be provided in this particular Instagram handle, so definitely check it out. And yeah, I will see you super soon with more exciting videos, all the behind the scenes and planner setup videos in my upcoming episodes. So stay tuned, keep smiling always, and bye bye.